Fortress Interlock's Creo customization. Fortress Interlocks use Creo and Windchill to design and manage their award-winning interlock products. With the help of Root Solutions, they've created a web-based configurator that allows their customers to configure products to their own specification. Once configured, drawings and models of the interlock assemblies can be downloaded in a variety of formats, including 2D PDF, DWG, STEP, IGES, 3D PDF and JPEG. To configure the parts, the customer goes to the Fortress Interlocks website, they select the product range, configure the options, configure the outputs they require. They'll then be sent an email with links to the outputs. After a few minutes, they'll be able to download the outputs, extract the file and use the outputs as they want. In the background, an XML file is sent to a folder on the server. This then triggers a session of Creo to be started and the model to be built and the outputs generated. The outputs are then put into a zip file and uploaded onto a cloud server for the customer to download. So let's have a look at that background process. So here we've got an example of the XML file. This can be put into the input folder for processing. So the processing starts, a session of Creo will be started and the models will be then built. Once the models have been built, a drawing can be created and dimensioned. The outputs will then be created. So the outputs will then be in a zip file in the output folder, ready for uploading. If we have a look at the outputs themselves, so extract the zip file, we've got a JPEG in there of the lock. We've got a 2D PDF of the drawing. We've got a 3D PDF. We've also got STEP files, IGES files and DXF files in there as well. So the results of this, in the last year, over 6,000 jobs have gone through the system. Each job would have taken an engineer an hour to build the model, do the drawing and get it checked. The system has done the equivalent of over 3 man-years of work in this time. This is a huge saving and gives the engineers time to develop new ideas rather than configuring existing products. For further information, please contact Root Solutions. Thank you for your time today.